If you've been watching Bitcoin, the oldest decentralized cryptocurrency, you know its price has been rising. Finder recently surveyed 25 crypto industry specialists for their thoughts about how Bitcoin will perform from January 2025 through 2035. This video will review highlights from this very interesting report. Hi, I'm Laura Adams, an award-winning personal finance author and Money Girl podcast host with over 43 million downloads. For over a decade, I've helped millions of readers and listeners understand how to manage money and build wealth. Our goal is to offer tips and advice that you can put into action for more financial security and success. First, let's review what Finder's panelists think will happen to Bitcoin by the end of 2025. On average, they say Bitcoin will be worth just over $161,000. Now, that's a big jump from its value today, which is close to $100,000. It's also much higher than what Finder's panelists predicted in the last survey completed in October 2024, which was about $113,000. About half the experts say Bitcoin will stay around the $100,000 mark for the first part of the year. But the most optimistic say they believe Bitcoin will trade at $275,000 by the end of 2025. Those who aren't so optimistic say it will drop to $60,000 by year end. But we know that Bitcoin is extremely volatile, so we also asked what the experts think about its highs and lows in 2025. They believe Bitcoin could hit a high of $185,000 on average, and its average low could be about $80,000. But what's really surprising is that the experts predict Bitcoin will rise to over $405,000 by the end of 2030. In addition, they believe it will skyrocket to over $746,000 by the end of 2035. Wow! Now, while that sounds impressive, we wanted to know if the panelists believe that Bitcoin is a good value for investors. 80% feel Bitcoin is underpriced or fairly priced. On the whole, they are more bullish than last quarter, when the panelists' prediction for 2030 was just over $282,000. That's likely because 80% of the panel believe the rise of Bitcoin's price is due to the election of President Trump. The majority of the panel say now is a good time to buy Bitcoin. There are 58% who say buy, 38% who say hold, and just over 4% who think it's time to sell. To learn more about Bitcoin and investing in cryptocurrency, visit finder.com. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. You'll get notified when there are more helpful product reviews, money tips, and advice.